Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Cool Black Nerd, COOLBLKNERD. Man, thank y'all for pulling up. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Cloud Platform free tier account so that you can actually start going in, playing with the cloud, playing with resources. I think it'll be really, really dope for everyone that's been following me on Instagram. If you have not been following me on Instagram or Twitter, definitely follow me at COOLBLKNERD. Man, I talk about this cloud stuff every day. I'm always talking about this tech stuff, and I'm currently doing the 100 Days of Cloud Challenge, and I want to create a bridge for people that have been following me and have been wanting to get their feet wet. I want you to actually have a launching start or a launching pad, if you will, for you to actually go in, play with the cloud, get comfortable with it. And if you guys have questions, man, y'all can definitely shoot them to me on Instagram, Twitter, or you can hit me up in my email address that y'all about to see. So we're going to go through, we're going to set up this environment. It's very, very simple to set up. I will say this, there is one part of the video where I'm going to have to stop, and then I'm going to have to follow up with what it's going to look like once you get in there, because there's a part where you actually have to add your address and your credit card information. I ain't putting all that information out there for y'all. But once y'all get that put in and you click the button, you'll be able to step into the Google Cloud Platform console, and then you can actually see everything. So let's go ahead and get started. The reason why I'm doing Google Cloud Platform, I think they actually have one of the best free tiers out of all the cloud providers. They give you a $300 free credit out the jump. And then on top of that, they have these free tiers where you actually have access to a lot of different services. And a lot of these services range from, the VM service, database services, Google Cloud Storage, Function, Stack Driver, all of this stuff. You get access. You have a free tier. You have a limit that you actually can hit before they actually begin charging you. So that's the thing. The limits, you have a free tier where you are actually allowed to use X amount of their services before they begin charging you. And that's why they want your credit card or your debit card information, so that whenever you do go beyond that limit, they make sure they're getting their money, which is definitely understandable. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And once again, like I said, it's going to be a part where you have to put in your own information. But once we put that information in and we can move forward, I'll actually start showing you what the actual environment is. And then we can start clicking around and seeing what it's like. So first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you go up here. Look, https://cloud.google.com/free. It's going to take you to this page. It's Google Cloud Platform free tier. First thing you're going to want to do is hit this get started for free button. Once you hit that get started for free button, so it asks you to log in and do all this kind of stuff. I've already put that in. So now first it's going to ask me, hey, step 1 or 2, you want to confirm the terms of service. Cool. We're going to go ahead and confirm the terms of service. All right, and this is where we need to put our information in. And so I'm going to put my information in, and we're going to bring it right back. Okay, cool. So we've signed up, and this is the first thing we see. We see, welcome, Reginald. Thanks for signing up. Your free trial includes a $300 credit, yada, yada, yada. Let's get to it. So, boom. Here we are. We in the game. This is your Google Cloud environment. So, just look at it. Look at it. Click around. See what all these different things are. We're going to go through a lot of this stuff. But y'all are here. Y'all have y'all account set up. Y'all should be good to go. We're going to start talking about how to set up your projects. We're going to talk about the IAM. All that is coming. I promise y'all it's coming. But I wanted to make sure y'all got set up first. So if you have any questions, once again, please hit me up at COOLBLKNERD. Hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on Twitter. Hit me up. Y'all got questions, I want to answer them. I want to help y'all out, man. I want to get more people in this industry, put that money in your pocket, and we're going to keep grinding, man. Tech for the culture. Y'all know what it is. Let's go.